Namaste to all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. In the previous video, we focused on the verb come, that is for the future tense and simple present. And it is very important to learn the simple past or the past tense, because past tense we use a lot compared to the future one. Yesterday something happened and we make questions about yesterday. And you came home and I don't know when did you come, so I'm going to ask when did you come and how did you come. Okay, and did you come questions. So all these things, and I would like to say I came, someone came. So how we have to make this today? Let's focus on from 01 till 06. So what is this from 01 till 06? 01 is nothing but telling about me that I came. So few sentences. This, to say I came, we need one word, that is bandenu. BANDENU. I have written all these words in description box. You need not to worry. You can easily copy it. Bandenu is the full word, but we say bande. Bande is enough. That's about me, that I came. Self statement about me, that I came, to tell I came. And how can we make sentences? ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು is today, WEVATTU. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ BELIGGE, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ. So I came today morning. ನಾನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. I came home. ಮನೆಗೆ, ಗೆ is nothing but to. ಮನೆ is house. I came home. ನಾನು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. I came to office. ನಾನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. I came to market. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನು ಸೈಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. I came by cycle. ನಾನು ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. I came by scooter. ನಾನು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ. I came by car. Many more sentences you can able to make with this word. So basically this is I came, and you can apply I came today morning, I came yesterday evening, yesterday afternoon, everything you can apply. Once you know what to say yesterday evening, and once you know what to say yesterday afternoon. Yesterday morning is nenne beligge. NENNE, nenne. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ BELIGGE, ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ. ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. That means I came yesterday morning. And let's make one sentence with yesterday afternoon. ನೆನ್ನೆ, NENNE, ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ, MADYANHA, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬಂದೆ means I came yesterday afternoon. And I came yesterday evening, that I need to tell you that I came yesterday evening. ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಬಂದೆ. I came yesterday evening. Okay, ಈ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ SAYANKALA. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಬಂದೆ means I came yesterday evening. Fine. If you want to say yesterday night, it is ರಾತ್ರಿ, RAATRI, ರಾತ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನೆನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಂದೆ. I came yesterday night. And again you can apply for today morning, today afternoon, everything. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬಂದೆ. Everything you can able to make. So all these words, yesterday, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, yesterday night, okay, and today morning, today afternoon, today evening, today night, everything we have to just learn only once, isn't it? That we need not to make any changes with any person or any verb, correct? So we just need to apply it. And then let's go to second one. 02 is actually you came. How to say this you came? Should we say you came? You know that you came. Why should I say that you came? But we just don't use to say this word saying that you came as a statement. But actually here we make many questions, and we appreciate sometimes how. Here to say you came, the 02 is bande only, whereas the first 01 is bandenu, but we apply only bande. In the 02, to say that you came, తుమ్నే ఆయా, నువ్వు వచ్చావు, నీ వందే சொல்றதுக்கு it is just only same word, it is bande, B-A-N-D-E, bande. Then how we will come to know whether it is 01 or 02? So based on the context actually when we apply with the sentences. Neenu, Neenu, Tum. So this is bande about only for the younger one, for your own family members, not for your boss, not for your teacher, not for your elders. Okay. So Neenu, Ivattu, Bega bande. Bega means early. That means you came early today. ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಲೇಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಲೇಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಲೇಟ್. ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಇವನ್ ಸೇ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್. ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ತಡವಾಗಿ ಇಸ್ ಡಿಲೇಡ್. ತಡವಾಗಿ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಟಿ ಎ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಡಿ ಎ ವಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಎ ಜಿ ಐ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ತುಮ್ನೆ ದೇರ್ ಸೆ ಆಯಾ. ನೀನು ಇವತ್ತು ತಡವಾಗಿ ಬಂದೆ. ಯು ಕೇಮ್ ಲೇಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಟ್, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್, ವೆನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್, okay, and why did you come? Questions. So these questions we actually apply here only in the 0 to how we have to say. Hege is how. How is hege. H-E-G-E, hege. But he we have to stretch it out, that he sound. And assume when I reach home, my sister would have come and then she is sitting at home and I would like to ask question to her. Okay, how did you come? Okay, then I need to apply ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, how did you come? ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, how did you come? Here ನೀನು is for the younger one, ಬಂದೆ 02 is for the also for the younger one. ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ means how did you come? तुमने कैसे आया, నువ్వు ఎలా వచ్చావు, నీ ఎప్పుడు వందే. And when did you come? So when I reach home, I was happy to see her or maybe to see my brother, and I would like to ask, hey, when did you come? I didn't know that. Then the question is, ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ. ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ, तुमने कब आया. నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు వచ్చావు, నీ ఎప్పో వందే. ನೀನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ, when did you come? Okay, and many more questions. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ, ಯಾಕೆ, ವೈ, ವೈ ಡಬಲ್ ಎ ಕೆ ಇ, ಯಾಕೆ. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ, why did you come? Normally we don't ask this for the friends and for relatives when they actually come home. So this is just for you to learn. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ, why did you come? Okay, why did you come is ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. When did you come is ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದೆ. And how did you come is ನೀನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದೆ, H-E-G-E. Then 02 is completed. Okay, and next one is 03. Very easy. 03 statement about us, we. So first one is I came, second one you came for the younger one, third one we came. So we came, no confusion, it is just a statement, we came. Navu, navu is we. Here the verb sound you have to change. Very easy to remember we. You know why? After band word sound B-A-N-D, just apply vi in the ending. Bandvi, we came. Navu dash bandvi, that means we came. Now let's say ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, we came today morning. See, today you just, as I said, only today and today morning, today afternoon, yesterday morning, yesterday evening, everything. We just need to learn only once. Otherwise, you can keep applying with all the other sentences, isn't it? ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. Everything you can make. ಬಂದ್ವಿ, B-A-N-D-I-V-I, actually the full word, but you can apply ಬಂದ್ವಿ. You can avoid the I after the small d. ಬಂದ್ವಿ you can say. ನಾವು ಬಂದ್ವಿ. Okay, ನಾವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, we came by train. ನಾವು ಬಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, we came by bus. Okay, and ನಾವು ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, we came by flight. ನಾವು ಓಲಾ ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, we came by ಓಲಾ ಕಾರ್. Fine. And then ನಾವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ನಾವು ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು. ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಈಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು, EEGA, TAANE, దట్ షోస్ జస్ట్ నౌ, అభి అభి, ఇప్పుడిప్పుడే అన్నట్లు. ఇప్పుదా అందే, ಈಗ ತಾನೇ ಬಂದ್ವಿ. Fine. And then 04 is equal to 02. Only the thing is 02 we asked questions to younger one, and 04 you can apply for everyone, because this goes with the respect. You can apply for your boss, for your teacher, for all your friends, for all even younger people also you can apply. Wherever the respect is applied, we have to apply the respect. This is the word bandiri, BANDIRI, bandiri. But you can say bandri, 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 small b, okay, AN small d RI, enough, bandri. You came, for the elders, aap aaye, okay, మీరు వచ్చారు, నీంగో వందింగ. Now, as I said, here also same questions whatever we did in the 02 we can apply. Like, how did you come, when did you come, why did you come, we can apply. And also we can say few sentences saying that ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, you came today. So assume my father used to come by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock in the night, and today he reached home by 6 o'clock. Then I can tell saying that ಅಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, daddy you came early today. Yes. So then my kids usually they used to reach home after school maybe 5:30, but today they reached 4:30. So what should I say? Then this is plural one also, we can apply this bandri for plural also, for both my children I can apply this. Kids or makkade, ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, that means you came early today. Then questions, how did you come, ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. Assume my uncle reached home, and now I am asking question to my uncle saying that uncle ನೀವು ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, how did you come, okay. And ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, oh when did you come, I am happy to see you, but I had not expected that you are here, okay. ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, when did you come, ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. And ನೀವು ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, why did you come, ಯಾಕೆ, that is the question. And then the next one is 05. 05 in the future tense, what we did, that was for the Bhartiya is the question, will you come. 06 was Bhartira in the future tense, that means will you come with respect for everyone. 05 is Bhartiya. That time I didn't know that whether they are going to come, I asked question. Here also same thing, that I don't know when he reached home, whether he reached home or not. That time we asked this question, okay. Maybe I don't know actually whether they have reached, and I can't see now, maybe I am in different place. Now I have to ask question. Then this will apply. This is nothing but 05 is banda or bandya. Banda, BANDAA is very easy. The one more word is bandaya, BANDEYA, bandya also we can apply. ನೀನು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ, did you come home. ನೀನು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬಂದ, that means did you come to school. ನೀನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ, did you come to Bangalore, okay. Question to younger one. And we can also say ನೀನು ಸೈಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, okay. We can stretch the sound in the ending, so that will make actually question, okay. So ನೀನು ಸೈಕಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, did you come by cycle. ನೀನು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, so did you come by car. ನೀನು ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, did you come by train. Questions you can make here, but this is different question, okay. And then the next one 06 is bandra, BANDIRAA, the full word bandira is the question with respect. Same question, like how we are asking for the 05 for the younger one. So this 06 we can use for everyone, okay, because this goes with respect. Bandira or bandra, how we can use, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಾ, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? Mummy, did you reach Bangalore? Question. And then we can also say, ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? Mummy, did you come by car? ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? Mummy, did you come by bike or scooter? ಅಮ್ಮ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರಾ? Did you come by train? Questions. Very easy, isn't it? So just these 6 words. See how it is actually helping us to make the sentences, many more sentences we are going to learn in the next video. Let's learn in the next video saying that she came and he came. Then someone with respect, the 09. So 07, 08 is pending. 07 always goes for the female younger one. 08 always goes for the male younger one. 09 it goes with respect about everyone. And 010 it's about things and animals. Very easy. So once you know the numbers, easily it will help you to apply with all the other verbs. Okay, same numbers. Ellargu namaskara. I hope this video will be useful to you all. Namaste. So you can note down my number. Whatever the doubts you have, you can ask me. 934189561 8. Namaste.